alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version, Math, Exercise 4.1, Math number 6. If a plus 1 by a equals to 4, what is the value of a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4? A to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4. It looks like we can change it to a format a square plus b square. And we know the formula a square plus b square means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So if we change it, a square equals to a square whole square plus 1 by a square whole square, and value is same, equals to, and if we consider this a and this b, then this looks like a square plus b square, and we can change it this format. Why we change it this format? Why not a minus b whole square? Because we are given the value a plus 1 by a, so we make it look like a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a square plus, here this is a and this is b, a square plus 1 by a square whole square minus 2ab, minus 2 a square into 1 by a square, a and b. Simplify. So we have added, now it is minus 2, and we have to do this, we apply this formula again, because this looks like a square plus b square. So we have to continue until we get to this format, a plus 1 by a. Okay, a plus 1 by a whole square, just this part. Now we are doing a square plus 1 by a square. We are changing to format a plus 1 by a whole square, a plus b whole square. We know the formula is minus 2ab, so minus 2 into a into 1 by a. So this, here is a square, so we have to put second bracket and then whole square for this. Now there was a minus 2 here, so we put that minus 2 here, equals to, we can put the value of a plus 1 by a now, because we don't have to worry about this. So we put the value 4 square minus 2 and put a bracket. Instead of second bracket we put first bracket, because there is no more bracket inside. When there is only one bracket, we put first bracket. When there is two bracket we have to use, then we put first bracket and then second bracket. Now we don't need second bracket. So there was a square here, so we put square minus 2 equals to 4 into 4 means 16 minus 2 whole square minus 2 equals to 14 minus 2 means 12 square. No, actually it should be 14 square. 14 square then minus 2 equals to how much? 14 and 14, 4 and 4, 16, 4 into 4, 16, and 4 into 1 and 1, 5, 4 into 1, 4, 1 into 1, 6, 9, 1. So 196 minus 2 equals to 194, and this should be the answer. This rough work. Answer 194. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.